Hi and Assalamualaikum. Let's get started with the ingredients that you need. 1 cup of wheat flour, half a cup of water, half a cup of coconut milk, 5 pieces of pandan leaf, blend with water, an egg, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons butter.
First thing first, using a blender, make a pandan juice using 2 cups of water and pandan leaves. Strain and put the juice aside. Second, in a bowl, mix the flour with the egg, add the juice and coconut milk, and finally the salt to taste. Third step, heat the baking mold on the stove fire, either the ceramic mold or any mold of your liking. Brush them lightly with butter. Fourth step, fill each mold with half of the batter and fill the center with 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Pour some more batter until it reaches the top of the mold. Cover the mold with a lid, preferably a glass lid so that you could see what's happening inside. Wait for a minute and check if the kuih is ready to be picked up. Finally, how to know when the kuih is ready? Easy, use your fork and check the bottom of the kuih. If it's brownish and the top is already firm, it's ready to be picked up and start step 3 to 4 all over again.